now start with the question number 8. The figure of the question number 8 is E is a point on a side AD produced of the parallelogram ABCD. This is a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram, and the side AD is produced to the point P. AD is produced to the point P. If it is written in a question that AD is produced, it means you have to produce in this direction. Or if written that DA is produced, it means it has to produce in this direction. Okay? So AD is produced to the point P. What are you doing? Look at it. So AD is produced to the point E. Now BE intersects CD at F. BE. Join BE which intersects CD at F. Show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFD. So in question number 8, this is a parallelogram. You know all the properties of parallelogram. बताना चाहते हो? Very good. So first of all, this is a parallelogram, and the side AD is reduced to the point P, and this line B intersect DC at F. Now you have to prove that ABE, this triangle, this one is AB, is similar to CFB. Which one is CFB? This one. So you have to prove these triangles are similar to each other. You know the similarity. There are three theorems about the similarity: angle, SSS, or SAS. How can you prove that these triangles are similar to each other? Good. Anisha.
AD parallel to BC.
We know that AD parallel to BC, so
AE parallel to BC.
okay, A parallel to BC, then
जो E है ना alternate interior angle.
very good. This angle is alternate to this one. These are the alternate angles because these lines are parallel to each other. And then second,
angle E and angle C is alternate interior angle.
Angle E and angle B are the alternate interior angles. Angle B.
Angle C and angle A.
हाँ.
Angle C and angle A in parallelogram opposite sides.
Very good. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Very good. So it means two triangles. These two triangles can be similar by using angle similarity. No? In this triangle, this angle is equal to this one, and in this triangle, this angle is also equal to this one. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. You can write yourself given and to prove. Now you are writing the proof of the question. Now who is going to help me? Rishan, what are you writing?
In triangle AEB.
First write the name of the triangles which you are going to similar. ABE and triangle
BC.
CFD. The sequence is very important. Okay. Conditions.
AE is parallel to BC.
Okay. You can write in bracket that these lines are parallel to each other, so we are using the alternate angles. So name of the angles.
Angle AEB.
Angle AEB. Angle AEB is equal to angle
CBA.
angle CBE. CBE. These are alternate angles. Alternate angles because AE is parallel to BC. Opposite sides of parallelogram. Okay, good. Now second condition.
Angle A is equals to angle C.
Angle A is equal to angle C. Why?
Opposite angles of
Parallelogram are equal. Good. Opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So by angle similarity, we can prove that. Sit down, Vida. Good. ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Any doubt in this question? Please start on the question. Dasha? Okay, now the question number 9. The figure is there in the question. ABC and AMP ABC and AMP are the two right angle triangles. Okay. Right angle at P and M respectively. Prove that. First part is triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Okay. Hindu? How can you do this question?
Angle A is equal to angle A.
Okay, in these two triangles, angle A is common in both triangles. And
Angle B is equal to angle M.
angle B is equal to angle M, each 90. So by angle similarity, these triangles are similar to each other. About?
No, ma'am.
Na? अपने आप कर लेंगे. Okay, good. Now the question number 10.
Second part.
Second part, what is solved? Okay, second part. For the second part, how can you solve the second part of this question? Answer. Now the second part is you have to prove CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. Achal, how can you prove this part? We have already done the similarity of these triangles. Then how can you prove this part? By AA, those triangles are similar to each other. Then how can you prove this ratio? Okay, sit down. Ritika?
So, the two triangles are similar when their corresponding sides in proportion.
Okay, very good. Since we know that these triangles are similar to each other, what's happened? Why are you laughing? Okay, next question is for you. So these triangles are similar. Since these triangles are similar, it means the ratio of the corresponding sides are also equal. So we can say AB upon AM is equal to BC upon MP. I think we have to prove only this part. तीसरा वाला लेना ही नहीं है हमें ना. तीसरा तो हमारे पास कहता है AC upon MP, APS की जरूरत नहीं है. नहीं ये है. Okay. By this similarity, Achal, by this similarity we prove that AB, the ratio of the side, that is AB upon AM, is equal to BC upon MP is equal to AC upon AP. And we need these two ratios. We need only these two ratios. This is the question number 9. Now the question number 10. I think you can do yourself.
Yes.
Srishti, are you clear? Question number 10. There is no figure of question number 10. In the question, CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of the angle ACB. This is the angle ACB and its bisector is CD. Bisector means which divide the angle into two equal parts. And GH is the bisector of angle EGF. This is another angle EGF, and this is the bisector of this angle GH. Such that D and H lie on the side AB. Okay, this is the side AB on which D lie, and the side here H will lie on the side AB and EF of the triangle this and this respectively. Then, if it is given that these two triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. These two triangles are similar according to the question. Now show that first part is CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. If you want the ratio of these two sides, which triangle you have to similar? Which triangle we should similar so that these ratio can be found? We can find. Your name?
ACD.
अभी तो बहुत हंसी आ रही थी तुम्हें. Which triangle is similar? Rishabh?
ACD and AG.
Okay, these triangle we have to similar. This one, ACD and EGS. So how will you similar these two triangles? Sister? Daisy? How can you similar these two triangles? These large triangles are similar to each other. It means ABC is similar to this triangle. Then how will you prove that these triangles are also similar to each other?
मैं वेट करूँ 90 डिग्री
90 नहीं है, perpendicular कुछ नहीं है इसमें. This is the angle bisector.
We know that ABC
ये not the correct one. आपको बताना है, हाथ पर करो, raise your hand and I will ask you. Sudhanshu.
Have a triangle ABC and ECG. Then they both are similar.
हाँ, both triangles are similar.
So angle C and angle G is also equal.
Angle C and angle G are also equal.
तो then जब वो bisect करेगा तो
So if you have half of these angles are also equal. It means you want to say that this angle is equal to this one. Because angle C is equal to angle G, so we can say that half of angle C is also equal to the half of angle G. That's why this angle and this angle are equal to each other. Okay, good. And then other angle.
then angle A equal to angle C.
Very good. Angle E is equal to angle E. Already given in the question because these large triangles are similar to each other. It means these angles are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, ये इसके इक्वल है. क्वेश्चन में कह रहा है सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स है और दूसरा ये इसके इक्वल आपने प्रूव कर दिया. तो बाय यूजिंग एंगल एंड द सिमिलरिटी वी कैन प्रूव दैट this triangle is similar to this one. Good, Sudhanshu. Straight on that. Now second part. Next part. In second part, we have to prove that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE. Shantanu. Let me check which triangles we have to similar. DCB. Okay. Now this one and this one. Okay. Shantanu.
in triangle DCB and HGF.
Okay.
Angle DCB is equal to HGF.
Okay. Why angle DCB is equal to HGF?
HG
HGF.
ऊपर
नहीं, आपको ये ट्रायंगल्स करने हैं नीचे वाले. अच्छा, मैंने शायद गलत लिख दिया. E ही है. DCB. Okay. इसका मतलब है कि पहले वाले पार्ट में क्या हुआ था बेटे? पहले वाले पार्ट में किया था ना. अच्छा, यानी कि ये पॉइंट जो ले लेते हैं ना, डिफरेंट ले लेते हैं. यहाँ है ये E और यहाँ है ये. इसका मतलब आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट में जो प्रूफ करना था वो ये वाले कहता, हाँ यही करना था. ठीक है, मैंने देखने की गलती कर दी. वहाँ पे है और यहाँ पे ये है ना. आपका आप दोनों ट्रायंगल्स आपने जैसे मैंने बताया था वैसे सिमिलर करेंगे. और सेकंड पार्ट के लिए बताओ, चलो बताओ.
Angle DCB is equal to angle HGE.
DCB is equal to HG, right?
पता है हमें सिमिलर है क्योंकि triangle.
हाँ, so
तो angle B is equal to angle E.
we know that angle B is equal to angle E. Okay, then
Angle similarity.
beta, why this angle is equal to this one?
Bisector of these angles are equal. Bisector of these angles are equal.
We can say that angle C is equal to angle G. So half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. That is this angle is equal to this one. Good, Sudhanshu. Yes, Sudhanshu. Shantu. Sorry. Okay. So by angle and similarity, these angles will be similar to each other. Now the last part of the question. Third part. Triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. These we have already proved that similarity, है ना? Okay.
फिर उससे equation में
Now let's start this question. Can you do yourself or I have to do this on this board? पक्का? कितने बनाओ कितने कर लेंगे? ठीक है? How many of you can you do yourself? Abhishek, problem? Okay. You can do or not? You can do yourself? Shashti? समझ ही नहीं आया. I think you should change your seat. और पीछे बैठे हो आप. यहाँ जाओ. 5 मिनट. देखिए एक बार फिर से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ठीक है? नहीं समझ में आएगा तो बता देना, फिर मैं लिखवा दूंगी. और अगर आप खुद से कर सकते हो, it will be better. In the question it is given that these are the two triangles ABC and FAG are the two triangles actually. These are the angle bisector CD and GH are the angle bisector of these triangles. Now in first part You have to prove that CD upon GH is equal to AC upon GF. If you want to prove the ratio of these sides are equal, it means which triangles you have to prove similar. If you want the ratio of these sides CD upon GH और AC upon FG, किन triangles से मिलेगा ये? सृष्टि CD upon GH, अब भी नहीं दिखा मेरे पास यहाँ पर डाल दिया CD upon GH is equal to AC upon GF. इस बार नहीं देखा ना सच्ची सृष्टि नहीं पाओगे आप दिख रहा बताओ फिर सृष्टि प्रियांशु डोंट कम इन for these sides if you want the ratio of these sides that is CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG then you have to prove that these triangles are similar to each other. Okay, these triangles, this one and this one, and then how will you prove these are similar?
Equal.
Which angles are equal?
A.
Angle A.
A or C.
Angle A is equal to angle F. Why? Because these triangles are similar to each other, है ना? So angle A is equal to angle F. Second one.
Angle C equals to.
Not only C. You will write ACD is equal to
ACD. FGH.
FGH. Why they are equal?
Similar.
Similar of these large triangles are similar to each other. Then how can you say these angles will be equal? It will be equal. Both of them. Explain this question. कहाँ थे आप उस टाइम पे? Look at here. Angle C is equal to angle G. We know that these large triangles are similar to each other. So half of angle C. It means angle C is equal to angle G. So we can say that half of angle C will be equal to the half of angle G. Half of angle C can be this angle. Why? Because CD is the bisector of this angle. So we will write here that angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. In bracket we have to write that CD and GH are the bisector of angle C and angle G respectively. That's why they are equal. And by angle similarity, these triangles will be similar to each other. Okay. Now for the second part. Okay. First part will you prove? You can prove yourself now. Okay. Now for the second part. Now in the second part you have to prove that this triangle is similar to this one. How do you prove it?
DCB.
Okay, angle DCB. Okay, this one is equal to
HG.
why? Why they are equal?
Then half and
Half. So you will write angle C is equal to angle G. Half angle C is equal to half angle G. Then half angle C can be this one. That is BCD is equal to EGH. Because these are the angle bisectors. And the second condition?
then B. AC.
In this triangle and this one, which other angles are equal? Both large angles are similar to each other. अच्छा बड़े triangles similar दिए हुए ना, तो इनको कैसे prove कर सकते हैं दोनों similar? Condition क्या है दूसरी? Anas, what is the second condition? Angle B is equal to angle E because these large triangles are similar to each other. So this angle will be equal to this one. Okay? Now by angle similarity, we can prove that these triangles are similar to each other. This is the question number 10. Any doubt in this question? I will ask you questions. Next question I will ask you. Ananya. Him. Ananya? Okay. कोई बात नहीं. वीडियो देखने वाले बच्चे हैं और वो सब एक अच्छे से जानते हैं. Now the question number 11. This is the figure of the question. ABC is a triangle. AD is a perpendicular and EF is perpendicular on AC. E is a point on the side BC. On the side BC, E is a point. Reduce and an isosceles triangle ABC. ABC is actually isosceles triangle. What are you doing in your notebook? What are you doing? Just hold. This is a isosceles triangle. It means it is given that AB is equal to AC in triangle ABC. Okay? If AD perpendicular on BC and EF perpendicular on AC, then prove that. You have to prove triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. These two triangles you have to similar. You have to prove these are similar. The name is ADC. ABD. This one. This triangle and ECF. ECF. Okay. And this last triangle. You have to prove that these triangles are similar to each other. Yes, sir. ये perpendiculars दिए हैं दोनों. Anyone else? सिर्फ 3. क्यों अनन्या?
Angle ADC equal to CF.
You have to prove this triangle, this one. How can you say ADC? सिर्फ 3 बच्चे. प्रियांशु? प्रियांशु? उस्मान?
अबे विदाउट मास्क कौन आया था लड़का है?
सेक्शन बी है सर.
ये सेक्शन बी है.
नहीं सर ए है.
यू हाथ क्यों काटा लड़का?
नहीं सर आंसर की कर रहा है. ओके. हाँ अनन्या. प्रियांशु. Angle F equal to angle D. Okay. Okay. And the second condition. Sit down. This is not the correct one. AB is equal to AC. So we have to prove triangles are similar, not congruent. Have to prove similar. Okay. Shantanu.
मतलब angle C is equal to angle B हो जाएगा.
Very good. Why?
And वो parallel है.
So you have equal. हाँ?
Equal.
हाँ.
तो उनका जो है ना.
Angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. Okay, very good. Sit down. In this and this triangle, we know that this angle is of 90 and this is also of 90. Okay, this is the one condition. And for this triangle, we know that angle B is equal to, for this triangle, equal to angle C. Why these angles are equal? Because we know that AB is equal to AC. So the angle opposite equal sides are also equal. So we can say this angle is equal to this one. So that's why you can prove that this triangle is equal to this triangle, similar to this triangle by using angle similarity. Okay? Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
Okay, अब मुझे कोई एक जना बताएगा करना कैसे क्वेश्चन. Hello? Explain. How can you prove these triangles are similar to each other?
Triangle ABD and EFC.
Okay.
Triangle D is equal to angle F.
Angle D is equal to angle of both are each of 90, each 90.
And angle B is equal to angle C.
Why angle B equal to angle C?
Angle opposite to equal sides are also.
Very good. Because we know that AB equal to AC, so that angle opposite equal sides are also equal. So by angle similarity, you can prove that these triangles are similar to each other. Should I have to do this question on the board or not? You can do yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Very good. For instance, figure. Figure is already in the question in your book, so I think it's not necessary This is all the figure of this question. Can I have it now? Okay. Now the question I want to cover. Question 12. The figure is not given in the question. Side AB. No. Okay, this is the figure of this question. Okay, हाँ figure 6.41. Yes. कौन सा बोल रहे हैं?
मैंने कहा आंखें बहुत तेज हैं हमारी।
वो मैंने सुन लिया था।
मैंने यही बोला।
ज़्यादा स्मार्ट ना बनेगा, मुझे पता है। कंट्रोल चल ठीक है। आप लोग बड़ों के साथ क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं बोलना ये मैनर्स हमेशा होने चाहिए, उससे मत बोलो उसको। ट्रायंगल ABC and triangle PQR, these are the medians and TL. Median is
We divide the triangles in two parts.
no. Median is
QI equal to
it means we join the vertex with the midpoint of the opposite side. इसका midpoint और इसको join करें तो उसको median बोलते हैं ना, तो this is the median. So these are the medians of the triangle and it is given that the side AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. Okay, it is given in the question that the ratio of these three sides are equal. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. You have to prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Both last triangle you have to prove that these are similar, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. You have to prove it. Is anyone want to explain how can you prove it? These last triangle you have to prove these are similar. And it is given that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. Okay, doesn't matter. I'm going to explain you how can you do this question. Actually, first of all, we have to prove that these triangles are similar to each other, this one and this one. And we can prove that these triangles are similar because we know that AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. It is given in the question, and also equal to BC upon QR. So we can write 2BD in place of BC because D is the midpoint of BC. So we can write BD 2BD instead of BC. Same as 2QL in place of QR. So we write these value with these two ratios, AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM and is equal to BD upon QR. So which triangle will be similar? एक बार फिर से समझते हैं। देखो आपको ये पता है कि AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM तो दिया हुआ है ना। अगर ये तीसरा साइड मिल जाए तो दोनों ट्रायंगल सिमिलर हो सकते हैं। हमें दूसरा साइड ऐसे मिलता है कि हमें पता है कि BC upon QR दिया है रेशियो में। Since D and M are the midpoints, तो हम लिख सकते हैं BC को 2DM और QR को 2QR। और अगर हम 2 से 2 कैंसिल करेंगे Ritika, what are you doing in your notebook? Look at here. So by these three ratios, that is AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. We can prove that these triangles are similar to each other. And if these triangles are similar to each other, it means angle B will be equal to angle Q because similar triangles have equal angles. So if these angles are equal to each other, then you can prove that ABC is similar to PQR. How do you prove it? By using SAR. We know that the ratio of the two sides are given, that is AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR given the question, and we have proved that angle B is equal to angle Q. So by SAR similarity we can prove that these triangles are similar to each other. Is it clear? Okay, we can write this question. Given to prove, you have to write yourself. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I am doing proof. Now the proof of the question. Who is going to help me? Nishan? Okay. Nishan.
AB.
First, I will write the ratios which are given in the question, है ना? That is AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. It is given in the question. Okay, Nishan?
BC.
हाँ.
BC. We can write BC as 2 BD.
हाँ. It means AB upon PQ is equal to 2 BD
Upon 2 QN.
upon 2 QM. And you have to write the reason for this one, है ना? In bracket. Is equal to
AD upon
AD upon QM. And you have to write the reason for this one, that is D and M are midpoints of BC and QR respectively. Okay? Good. Now we can cancel 2 with 2. So we will find the ratio AB is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. Okay? You have proved it. Just write down this one. इसको रब करके आगे का काम करते हैं. लिख लो चलो. Shasti, clear? मैंने बोला था कि जिस टाइम मैं बता रही हूँ समझा रही हूँ कॉपी में नहीं करना.
मतलब वो बता देते जवाब
क्यों करा? जब मैं टाइम दे रही हूँ आपको लिखने के लिए, आपने क्यों लिखा? अब खाली बैठो तब भी कर सकते हो आप. निशान sit down, बेटा. Now can I run this part? Okay. Okay. Now we have proved that these ratios are equal. Nishan, continue.
Now a triangle ABD.
In triangle ABD and triangle.
मैम वो इसके वजह से तो सिमिलर आएंगे.
हाँ 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 उसको ही करने जा रहे हैं.
ABD and PQM.
And PQM. We will write the ratios are equal. AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. So we will write by which similarity? SSS. SSS. Side, side, side. By SSS, we get a triangle is similar to PQM. Good. Now by similarity, we get which angles will be equal?
Angle B equals to angle Q.
Now angle B will be equal to angle Q because the both triangles are similar to each other. Now we can similar these large triangles ABC and PQ. Sit down. Okay, write down this one. फिर आगे कंटिन्यू करते हैं. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. You will get ADB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR given in the question, and angle B is equal to angle Q proved above. So by SAS in that. Yeah, why not? When you stop writing in board, you can write in your notebook. This is the correct one. बेटा समझना ज़्यादा जरूरी है ना? लिख तो हम फिर लेंगे उसके बाद, पहले समझ तो जाए. Okay, now continue. In these two triangles, triangle ABC and PQR, we know that AD upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. It is given in the question. And we have proved that angle B is equal to angle Q. Prove above. By this similarity? SAS. By SAS similarity, we can prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ. Okay, continue this question. This is the question number 12. Now the question 13. Now the next question, question number 13. Question 13. D is a point on the side BC of the triangle ABC. Suppose this is the triangle ABC and D is the point on the side BC and this is the point D. Such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. These angles are equal to each other. Huh? Show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. You have to show that CA square is equal to CB into CD. We can rearrange the values. We can also write it like CA into CA is equal to CB into CD. Since we are studying the ratios of the sides, so we can write in the form of ratio. Like CA upon CB is equal to CD upon CA. Can we write it like this? The meaning of both are same. So now we have to prove that CA upon CD is equal to CD upon CA is equal to CD upon CA. It means which triangles you have to prove similar?
Some
ADC, this one
and ABC.
and ABC. The ratios of the sides. By seeing the ratios of the side, we find that the triangles which we have to prove similar are ADC and ABC. है ना? ये बड़ा वाला ट्रायंगल है, छोटा ट्रायंगल आपको सिमिलर करोगे तो ये रेशियोज मिल जाएंगे. Okay, who is going to explain how can we do this question? अभिषेक समझ में नहीं आया बेटा. अभी प्रूफ हमने करा क्या है? प्रूफ तो आप करोगे. हमने तो ये समझाया सिर्फ कि अगर ये रेशियो चाहिए, देखो रेशियो क्या है? CA अपॉन CB. किस ट्रायंगल्स के अंदर आ रहे हैं CA अपॉन CB? ABC में आ रहे हैं. एंड CD अपॉन CA कौन से ट्रायंगल्स में आ रहे हैं? In triangle ADC. So it means if you want this ratio, you have to prove these triangles are similar to each other. तभी तो मिलेगा ना रेशियो ये वाला. ठीक है ना? So how can you prove that this last triangle and this one are similar to each other? How can you prove it? Two angles are given in the question already. The two angles are given.
Angle A is equal to in both triangles. Angle A is equal to in both triangles.
यार बच्चे ये देखो, ये है ट्रायंगल बड़ा वाला, है ना? इसका एंगल ये रहा A और ये है छोटा वाला ट्रायंगल. तो इसका एंगल थोड़ी ना ये, इसका तो ये है. तो अलग अलग एंगल्स हो गए दोनों. अभिषेक अब क्वेश्चन में तो देखो दिया क्या हुआ है, उसका तो कुछ लो फायदा.
Angle C is common in both triangles.
Okay, angle C is common in both the triangles and Priyanshu?
Angle AB is equal to angle BAC.
Angle BAC is equal to angle ADC. It is given in the question. Abhishek, what's happened? This angle is equal to this one. It is given in the question, and this angle is common in both the triangles. So by angle similarity, we can prove that these triangles are similar to each other. Sit down. If we are writing triangle ABC, what should be the sequence of the other triangle? The sequence is very important. I explain you. It is very important to write the correct sequence of the similarity. Anas, na? Okay, Anas. Correct sequence of similarity. ABC. Okay, with angle A, angle is with angle D, and angle B is, okay, we don't know about the B, and angle C is with C. Which one is left? A. So this is the correct sequence. Or if you are writing the correct sequence, it is very easy to write the ratios of the sides. So what should be the ratio? Shristi, what will be the ratio?
AB upon DA.
AB upon DA
BC upon AX.
is equal to BC upon AC. AC
upon DC.
DC. So if you are writing the correct sequence, it is very easy to write the ratios of the sides. Anchal, is it clear? Okay, I can ask you again. How can you do this question? You have to prove that CA upon BC equal to CD upon DB. CA. For this ratio, which triangles we have to prove similar?
Angle ABC
Angle ABC
and angle ADC.
and angle ADC. Okay. What are the conditions?
Angle A equal to angle B.
Not only angle A. You have to write angle BAC because angle A, this one is also angle A, this one is also angle A, and this whole is also angle A. So you have to write that angle BAC is equal to angle. Write the whole name of the triangle, angle. Other number लिखा करो. Angle BAC is equal to angle.
C
Angle.
BAC.
This angle is equal to which one? You don't know how to write the name of the angle. लिखना आता है नहीं आता है? अच्छा. So what is the name of this angle? Huh? Achal, what is the name of this angle? अच्छा मुझे सही बताओ आपको एंगल्स के नाम लिखने आता है कि नहीं आता है? आप सही बताओगे तो मैं आपको सही से समझाऊंगी ना फिर. आंचल, एंगल्स के नाम लिखने आते हैं? आते हैं. तो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल? आंचल, व्हाट इज द नेम? तेज बोलो. आंचल, नाम क्यों नहीं बता रही इस एंगल का? व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस एंगल? नहीं आता तो बेटे बोलो ना कि नहीं आता, तब तो समझाऊंगी. देखो समझो, ये एंगल आपको लिखना है सपोज, है ना? दिख रहा है? और एबल टू सी, मैं यहाँ लिख रही हूँ. देखो सपोज आपको ये एंगल लिखना है. जो एंगल लिखना होगा उसको हमेशा बीच में लिखते हैं, ठीक है? किन दो साइड से बन रहा है, इससे मिलकर बन रहा है ना, तो आपको डी को बीच में लिखना है. कैसे लिखोगे इसको? ADC लिख सकते हो, इसे CDA भी लिख सकते हो, ठीक है ना? तो व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस एंगल? Okay, CDA. So we can write that BAC is equal to CDA. This is the one condition. Second condition. Second condition. Which angles are equal in this two triangles? In triangle ABC and in triangle ADC, which other angle are equal? Angle C is common in both triangles. So we can say by angle similarity, these triangles are similar to each other, and the correct sequence is very important. Then you will write the correct sequence. And you can find the ratios of the sides. That is AB upon DA is equal to BC upon AC equal to AC upon DC. Is it clear? Achal, is it clear or not? Okay. I think you can do yourself this question. Okay, after the question number 13, I think you can do yourself. Question number 14 is only for me, and question number 15 is really easy, and question 16 is also so easy. So आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 छोड़ देना और इसके अलावा पूरी एक्सरसाइज आप करोगे मंडे. आई विल चेक योर होमवर्क. ओके.